Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check the battery health on your MacBook. Whether your battery drains faster than usual, or you're just curious about its condition, here's the easiest way to find out. Let's get started. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and head over to System Settings. If you're using an older version of Mac OS, it might be labeled System Preferences. But don't worry, the process is nearly the same. Once you're in, scroll down the sidebar and click on Battery. Inside the battery settings, look at the bottom right and click Battery Health. A small window will pop up showing your battery's condition. If it says Normal, your battery is working just fine. If it says Service Recommended, your battery isn't performing at its best and might need to be replaced soon. You'll also see a percentage labeled Maximum Capacity. This tells you how much charge your battery can hold compared to when it was brand new. For example, if it says 90%, that means your battery holds 90% of its original full charge. And that's it. Now you know how to check your MacBook's battery health in just a few clicks. If your battery health looks fine, but you're still experiencing fast drain, try closing unnecessary background apps or tweaking your energy settings. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more easy MacBook tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.